See how quickly price pushed up to the final target. It never came as I expected. So I looked closer. So I was humbly and patiently waiting for a reasonable pullback to this price range to begin. So I quickly noticed the break of structure here. At this point, I needed one last thing on the higher time frame to hold this trade that I was about to take. At this particular point, nothing could stop me. There are a lot of strategies and concepts out there all over the internet that seems to be working. But trust me, if you're a trader with little or no experience at all, you will be forced to fall on these strategies which will never do you any good in this trading space. I've been there before, and if you are here and you're already caught up in these fake strategies, then worry no more. Stick to the end of this video and I guarantee you that this simple and easy 15-minute strategy will change your entire trading game and of course make you profitable. So this was on Thursday 18th of April 2024 on Euro AUD just last week, and on the chart this line here is an old daily high, and we can see how price kept going back and forth around that level, and that shows that price is very sensitive around that region. So I quickly noticed the break of structure here with this strong push to the upside of this recent trend, and this massive spike here was telling me something that price was likely going to continue the push to the upside. So I was humbly and patiently waiting for a reasonable pullback to this price range to get in the trade, and that is one of the key elements when it comes to trading, to wait. But it never came as I expected. So I looked closer and spotted something interesting forming on the chart, the rounded bottom chart pattern, signifying a bullish move on the market. At this point, I needed one last thing on the higher time frame to hold this trade that I was about to take. So I scaled up to the 4-hour and 1-hour, and I noticed they have the same price movement with a 15-minute time frame. And that explains the fact that price is fractal, a repetition of price movement or pattern that occurs across different time frames. And at this particular point, nothing could stop me. I quickly jumped on the trade, placed my stop loss below the pattern. You don't force stop loss, you place stop loss where it needs to be. The most important thing is to have your risk management checked. As simple as that. See how quickly price pushed up to the final target. So precise and well calculated. Right, so what if you missed the entry? What would you do? Watch this very video here and know how to approach the market for insane profit even when you miss your entry. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And if you got value out of this video, kindly subscribe for more educative content like this. And don't forget to like as well because it helps YouTube algorithm. I'll see you next time.